Hi and welcome back to SS Text and Creation, and today in this video we'll see how to use wamp server in PHP. Okay, let's begin with the video. Okay, first of all you have to download a wamp server and it's free of cost, and we have to install on our computer. And after installing, you can say I'm searching wamp server. Okay, just click on that and click on yes, and after clicking on yes nothing will happen, but you can see in the bottom the MySQL icon is there, and you have to click on that, and here we can do all those sorts of operations. See the localhost where exactly we have to run our PHP code. And the question arises for each and everyone that where to save our code in WAMP server. Yeah, okay, while installing a WAMP server, it asks to create a WAMP server folder. Okay, I have created on C drive. You can see here there is a WAMP folder. I just click on that. In WAMP server there is a www folder. Click on that. After creating on www folder, here you can create your files or your folders or your project where you want to run the code. Okay, see here in Sharp folder there is a lot of files, PHP files. Here I have created a folder, and if I want to run the code, I just click on this. See the localhost. Okay, you can see. Otherwise in the browser, you can write just localhost. It will redirect you. See all the folders. You can see your project which are showing there. Okay, when I click on any project, you can see all the files in that folder we can see. And when I click on any file, then it will run on your browser and you can see the out of our code. Okay, this is a way to use a WAMP server, and I hope you get understand how to use a WAMP server. If you have any question, then you can comment me below, and definitely I will reply you back and give you solution. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, then subscribe now and click on notification icon to get instant notification of our upcoming videos. Till then, bye and take care.